Hey there! Ever wondered how those crystal clear glass products get their perfect clarity? The secret lies in specialized grinding plants for quartz processing. In glass factories, quartz is one of the most essential raw materials. But raw quartz isn't ready for glassmaking straight from the ground. That's where advanced grinding technology comes into play. These specialized plants pulverize quartz into ultrafine powder. The grinding process achieves consistent particle sizes critical for glass quality. Properly ground quartz ensures uniform melting and brilliant transparency. Without precise grinding, you'd get bubbles, streaks, and imperfections. Modern grinding plants use advanced machinery for maximum efficiency. They can process tons of quartz while maintaining exact quality standards. This technology reduces waste and improves overall production output. Different glass applications require different quartz specifications too. From windows to bottles to high-tech screens, grinding makes it possible. The process starts with raw quartz being fed into crushers. Then it moves through multiple grinding stages for refinement. Each stage brings the particles closer to the perfect size. Sophisticated screening ensures only properly sized particles proceed. Temperature control prevents damage to the quartz properties. Automated systems monitor every aspect of the grinding process. This ensures batch-to-batch consistency in the final product. The ground quartz then mixes with other glass-making materials. This precise blend creates the foundation for superior glass quality. Without proper quartz grinding, modern glass manufacturing wouldn't exist. Next time you look through clear glass, remember the grinding process behind it. It's amazing how raw quartz transforms into transparent perfection. Grinding technology continues to evolve for even better results. Factories worldwide rely on these specialized quartz processing plants. They're the unsung heroes of the glass manufacturing industry. So that's the inside story of quartz grinding and glass production.